Now let us start the important concept. What is meant by scientific models? First, let us see the definition. So scientific model is a simplified way of representing real system that only focus on what is important for a given question or problem, doesn't contain every detail. So it means that कोई भी physical system को अगर हम समझना चाहते हैं तो we can break down the details into simpler ones. Why we need to model the physical systems? Because natural world is complex and we cannot study them as such. We need to simplify the description, and that's why we need to build scientific models. Let us see some examples how scientific modeling is done in science in various situations. First, we can see the model for a car. In physics, we need to understand the motion of objects. That is, how fast the car moves, how much time it takes to go from one location to another, and how far it will go. इन सभी क्वेश्चंस को हम आंसर इजी वे में कर सकते हैं इफ वी ट्रीट कार एज अ पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स इट इज अ पॉइंट बट इन रियलिटी कार इज अ ह्यूज ऑब्जेक्ट which means that its dimension and shape doesn't matter in answering these questions. Car is modeled as a single point. Second example we considered from chemistry, where we learn about atoms and molecules. These atoms and molecules are very small and we cannot see them. However, to model them, we consider them as a sphere objects and bonding between atom is represented by lines. Though atoms are not complete sphere, but to make the discussion simpler, we treat them as spheres. Third example is from biology, where we study about living organism. Cell, as we know, is a fundamental unit of life. And to model cell, scientists uses diagrams highlighting the key parts in a cell, as you can see in the figure. Fourth example comes from earth science, where we study about earth climate, weathers, and so on. To study Earth, we treat it as a smooth sphere with distinct region. In reality, Earth is not flat or smooth. It has high mountains that make the surface rough.